Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to this video regarding quitting smoking with the help of subconscious mind. In this video, I explain how habit of tobacco is give up very easily without giving much effort from mind as well as body. Basically, tobacco is very injurious to health. Every day, thousands of people lost their life due to habit of tobacco. Initial inclination towards tobacco very easily and very soon converted into addiction and habit of tobacco, which is difficult to give up due to addictive and habitual nature of tobacco. If anybody decides or try to give up tobacco, then he has to oppose his craving, addiction and habit of tobacco for some days. And if successfully he controls them, then he becomes free of tobacco for his whole life. I have seen many intelligent and courageous people to give up before this habit of tobacco, not due to the reason that they have weak willpower, but due to the lifestyle in which they are living. They live joyful and comfortable life. They try to fulfill all their desires, but to live a smoking free life, he has to also he has to also live control and discipline life. He has to give up the jolliness of his life for some days, and this is a great task. Majority of people become unsuccessful to live this type of life. That's why you find many people remain trapped in tobacco and at last lost their life due to habit of tobacco. Now I want to tell you something really very interesting. Many of you have heard about subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is that part of our mind in which our actions, habits, likes and dislikes resides. In other words, our rituals are controlled or resides in our subconscious mind. We are product of our subconscious mind. Knowingly and unknowingly, we program our subconscious mind and become what we are today. If someone is a smoker, then he is due to the presence of craving, addiction, and habit of tobacco in subconscious mind. If somehow one able to remove these rituals from his subconscious mind, then he become free of tobacco for his whole life. We can remove these rituals from subconscious mind very easily because we can reprogram him. There is a process of method to reprogram our subconscious mind. In this method we give commands. Commands is basically a set of special words or phrases which have the ability to change subconscious mind when repeated continuously. So we give commands to our subconscious mind that we are free of tobacco for whole life. After some days our body starts reacting in that manner and one finds that he starts refusing tobacco. His inner feeling to smoke stops and he becomes free of tobacco for his whole life. Before proceeding further, it is essential for you to know some important things about this technique. Our mind is divided into two main parts. One is subconscious mind and other one is conscious mind. Our subconscious mind is very powerful. He has the ability to create things or materialize things. You may also call him creator. He creates us or builds us according to instructions given to him. He controls as well as change our all the actions, habits, behaviors, qualities likes and dislikes. What we are today is due to our subconscious mind. He already defined our all the habits, actions, behaviors according to situation and time, and we have to act according to that only. Another important characteristic of subconscious mind is that his reasoning power is zero, or he does not have the power to disobey your commands or instructions. He always obeys your commands and starts the materializing process. Good or bad, he always obeys you. You say to him that you are free of tobacco. He says, yes, sir, you are free, and you will surprised to see that what next happens to you. Your body as well as your mind starts refusing tobacco. Another important thing about subconscious mind is that he is always behind conscious mind. So if one wants to give instructions or commands to subconscious mind, then he has to cross or bypass or deactivate the barrier of conscious mind, so that his all the instructions reaches to subconscious mind and he start the materializing process. To communicate with subconscious mind, we have to reach alternate states of mind and give commands to him. That's why subconscious mind there. Another important part of our mind is conscious mind. Our conscious mind is active during our consciousness. He has the power of reasoning. He has the ability to ask questions. If you say that I am free of tobacco, then he simply asks how. Have you forget that half an hour, and he will say, or he will reasons give to you that have you forget that half an hour ago you light a cigarette and that you smoke from a long time, and you also forget that what your uncle say about quitting smoking. These similar things arises which proves that, or it shows to you that it is not possible for you to give the habit of tobacco, and you have to agree to this. Your conscious mind neglects all the things for which you does not give him satisfactory proof. If satisfactory proof is provided to him, then he accepts that thing, send it to subconscious mind. Subconscious mind starts his materializing process there. So it is not possible for one to communicate or give instruction to subconscious mind during our consciousness, because conscious mind neglects our thoughts before it reaches to subconscious mind. So what can one do? The program or method which I am going to reveal you is all about soften up conscious mind so that it comes back or it becomes weak, and at the same time strengthen up subconscious mind so that he come forward and able to accept commands and starts the materializing process, and one leaves tobacco for his whole life. This is the introductory video in which I only give you the introduction about the technique. So if you like my video, kindly click and subscribe my channel and see the next video. Thank you.